Angles R and S are both acute angles. They are both in between the parallel lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. So we would call them alternate interior angles, and they are congruent. Angle M is an obtuse angle, and angle N is an acute angle. Angle M is located in the top left corner, whereas angle M is located in the bottom left corner. So they're both on the same side of the transversal. M's corresponding angle would be here. So angle M and this angle is corresponding. And angle N is supplementary to M's corresponding angle. So we call these two angles supplementary because if we translated M down here, we'd see that they make a total of 180 degrees. M and N would be supplementary angles, and combined they'd equal 180 degrees. Angles G and H are both obtuse angles, and we would call these corresponding angles, which means that they are congruent.